Newsshooter coverage of IBC 2025 is sponsored by B&H.
Hi, it's Matt here for Newsshooter.com at IBC 2025. I'm at the Manfrotto booth. Now, this is the new Manfrotto ONE Tripod. Just run me through it.
Yeah, hi. So this is the new Manfrotto ONE, a new tripod that has been designed for professional content creators, having in mind basically to meet both a photographer and a videographer user need in just one solution. So Manfrotto ONE hybrid tripod is available in two versions, one in aluminum and one in carbon fiber. So the main feature characteristic of the tripod are, starting from the leg, you will notice that we have a new shape design of the tubes, are not rounded anymore, but a new shape, just because this shape allows us to have the right amount of stiffness, rigidity needed for both photography and videographers. Also, the leg release of the legs is with a fast deployment, so fast mechanism. So basically, with just one gesture for each leg, you can simply deploy the entire tripod.
What's the payload capacity?
It's 15 kilos in vertical, and then it goes down to 7 if you're using the Q90, but we will step into this feature in a moment. So on top of the legs, we have what we call the core part of the tripod. So basically in here, you can find all those needed features for both content creators. So let's start to showcase them. So first of all, we have the sliding column that allows you to reach a higher operating height. This column is also another characteristic very important, is the possibility to put the column in a Q90 degree. This allows for zenithal shooting, and especially nowadays also in video when you need to shoot from the top, it really helps this type of setup. The column also, I show you, has the possibility to be detached with just one single lever. It means that if I need to really reach the ground level type of shooting, I can simply detach the column like this. So in this way, I can really go down to the floor. Another important part is the possibility to leveling the system, which is really needed for video because you always need to make sure to be aligned to the horizon. And then what you will notice is this interesting part, the top part of the tripod, which is the new exchange quick release mechanism. So you might think, okay, how can I touch my head? Simply, the tripod is provided with this plate. This plate is a 3/8 screw that can simply attach to the head that you're using. With this launch, we are also launching, and I just show you also the quick release mechanism, how quick is to be able to change between different setup. With the Manfrotto ONE hybrid tripod, we are also launching the new Manfrotto 500X head. It's the evolution of our popular bridging technology 500 head. This new head is designed for mirrorless camera users in mind. So as you can see, as a flat base head with a 3/8 attachment, it means that can be used with any type of tripod, but also has already the exchange compatibility built into the head. It means that I can simply connect the head with just one gesture. Once the head is attached, the exchange release mechanism also allows me to engage with a pin, a safety lock, which prevents any unwanted unscrew of the head from the tripod. The head is a fluid head. It means that I have fluid movement both in the pan and tilt. It has a payload or up to 5 kilograms and a counterbalance system on and off, and the on is set at 2.4 kilograms at 55 millimeters center of gravity, because again it's designed for mirrorless camera users. On the top of the part of the head, the plate attached from the top, so which allows a very quick camera attachment. But what is really new is the possibility to flip the top part of the head, because this allows to get those vertical shooting that nowadays with social media content creation are much needed. So the entire system has been created to allow the user to also be very fast, not only just moving from one location to the other to set up the tripod, but also when they need to let me say, create different setup, because via the exchange quick release mechanism, for example, if I need to change setup, just for example, using the slider, I can have the plate just simply put at the bottom of the slider. The exchange is also available as an accessory, so I can buy many exchange that I want. So this allows me to be very quick on changing setup. The tripod also feature a free 8 easy link attachment that allows me also to connect friction arm if I want to have a monitor or other accessory, and also we have a hook in case we want to make the system even more stable to the ground if I'm using different setup. The feet, last but not least, the feet are rubber feet, but also they come off to release the spike if you're, for example, shooting outdoor in different ground situation.
You've explained everything so well that I don't really need to ask any further questions. In terms of pricing and availability.
Yes, availability is already launched. So the pricing is for the tripod standalone in aluminum is €449. All the prices that I'm giving is including 20% VAT. So €449 for the aluminum and €649 for the carbon fiber. Then for the kit, so tripod plus the new 500X. The aluminum kit is €619 and the carbon fiber kit is €799. And then of course you can purchase also the exchange kit for €499.